An exciting new leak has surfaced as a Reddit user has revealed an RTX Titan ADA Prototype GPU, sharing a stunning photo of the full GPU die alongside a GPU-Z screenshot showcasing its specs. But that's not all. Gigabyte'S RTX 50 lineup has been listed early by a Finnish retailer, giving us a glimpse of what's to come. And to top it off, a user on X reports that Nvidia is making their first ever ARM-based SoC for Windows PCs. In today's video, we're going to discuss all the latest Nvidia leaks and news, so stick around because you don't want to miss a single second of it. Welcome back to LA Electronics, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in PC tech news and leaks, especially when it comes to GPUs and CPUs. If you're serious about staying ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you're always in the loop. Also, be sure to follow me on X so you can stay up to date on everything that's going on with the channel. A fascinating discovery has emerged as a Reddit user shared a GPU-Z screenshot and a detailed photo of an unreleased RTX Titan ADA GPU, showcasing its entire PCB. This powerhouse features a fully unlocked AD102 die, and it would have been the only RTX 40 series GPU to unlock the die's full potential. For comparison, the RTX 4090 only utilizes 89% of the AD102 die. According to GPU-Z, this Titan ADA prototype boasts 18,432 shaders, 192 render output units, and 576 texture mapping units. It also packs a massive 48GB of GDDR6 memory on a 384-bit memory bus, delivering 864 GB per second of memory bandwidth. Interestingly, base clock speeds are unusually low at just 735 MHz, while boost clocks skyrocket to an impressive 2,490 MHz, which is likely due to the prototype nature of this hardware. The use of GDDR6 instead of GDDR6X further supports its early development stage. The PCB itself is strikingly similar to the RTX 4090, with the giant AD102 die in the center, surrounded by 12 of 24 memory integrated circuits, with power delivery components positioned along both sides. So why was this beast never released, you might ask? Well, Nvidia has remained silent, but it's possible the RTX Titan ADA was shelved to avoid competing with their $6,800 workstation class RTX 6000 ADA. Additionally, with no competition from AMD for the RTX 4090, a Titan level GPU might have been overkill for most gamers. What are your thoughts on this insanely powerful yet unreleased RTX Titan ADA GPU? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to smash that like button while you're at it. If you're loving the content and want to help keep it coming, consider buying me a coffee. Your support fuels each video, whether it's the latest tech news, detailed repair guides, or honest reviews. Every coffee you buy goes right back into the channel, helping me upgrade gear, improve the setup, and stay energized to bring you the best in PC tech news and leaks. Whether it's one coffee or a few, each $5 brew makes a huge difference, and I can't thank you enough for keeping this channel going strong. Your support truly means everything to me. Big news out of Europe. A Finnish retailer has jumped the gun, listing Gigabyte'S highly anticipated RTX 5080 GPU lineup early. This series features 7 models. Starting off with the first model, we have the Gigabyte RTX 5080 WindForce 3 OC at 1,229 euros or 1,265 US dollars. Next up is the Gigabyte RTX 5080 Gaming OC, coming in at 1,419 euros or 1,461 US dollars. Then there's the Gigabyte RTX 5080 Aero OC, starting at 1,419 euros or 1,461 US dollars. At number 4, we have the Gigabyte RTX 5080 Aorus Master at 1,529 euros or 1,574 US dollars. Coming in at number 5 is the Gigabyte RTX 5080 Aorus Master Ice, starting at 1,559 euros or 1,605 US dollars. Next, there's the Gigabyte RTX 5080 Aorus Extreme Waterforce WB for 1,639 euros or 1,687 US dollars. Lastly, there's the Gigabyte RTX 5080 Aorus Extreme Waterforce, coming in at 1,669 euros or 1,718 US dollars. These GPUs are pretty expensive, so let's talk about what they bring to the table. Each model features 16 GB of GDDR7 RAM, clocked at 30 GHz on a 256-bit memory bus, 10,752 CUDA cores, and support for DLSS4. They connect to your PC via a PCIe 5.0x16 connector and are powered by a 12-volt high-power connector. They all have a core clock speed of 2,300 MHz. Gigabyte is certainly packing a punch with these cards, but the big question remains, are these GPUs even worth the huge price tag? Will you be grabbing one of these beasts on launch day, or do you think they're overpriced and underwhelming? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and don't forget to drop a like on this video. Nvidia'S first ever ARM-based SoC for Windows devices is reportedly launching this year. According to a user on X, Nvidia is introducing two groundbreaking chips, the N1X later this year and the N1 in 2026. The company is expected to ship 3 million N1X chips in Q4 of 2025 and a whopping 13 million N1 chips in 2026, making a big leap into the Windows PC ecosystem. These chips are being developed in partnership with MediaTek, with the collaboration expected to generate $2 billion in revenue for MediaTek, accounting for 8% of their projected earnings next year. Originally, many anticipated that Nvidia would unveil its ARM-based SoCs at CES 2025. Instead, the company used the event to showcase the RTX 50 series Blackwell GPUs and the new Project Digits AI Super Mini PC. Now, all eyes are on Computex in May, where Nvidia is expected to reveal architectural details, core specs, and performance figures for these SoC chips. Nvidia has been quietly developing its ARM-based SoCs since late 2023, with the goal of entering the Windows PC market to compete directly with Intel, AMD, and their biggest ARM rival, Qualcomm. The N1X appears to be the flagship chip, while the N1 is likely a more affordable mainstream option. Beyond the names, Nvidia has kept other details like architecture and specs under wraps. This isn't Nvidia's first venture into ARM-based products, as they've already demonstrated success with Grace CPUs in the server market and Tegra processors for gaming and multimedia. But breaking into the Windows PC ecosystem is a whole new challenge. Could Nvidia's ARM-based SoCs disrupt the market and become a viable competitor in the world of Windows PCs, or is this a bold gamble that may not pay off for them? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, as it really helps the channel out. And if you're curious about how AMD is dominating Intel in total CPU sales, the surprising inclusion of useless silicon on the 9800X 3D, and so much more, click the card in the top right corner to check out my deep dive on all of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.